Come, come, what's this? If you do this, you have to stop, and here's why. There's a massive difference between reward and bribery. If you call your dog, get a treat out, that's a reward if your dog comes to you. But when we're saying, what's this, we're normally tricking our dog. It ignored the recall to begin with, so we're going, what's this? So we're leading the dog to believe we have something really good to offer them when we actually don't. Or we've got the biscuit tin out to shake it. The dog's normally standing there, staring at us, working out if we actually have something. This is called bribery. Now, if you're bribing your dog, you'll always have to do this. You will always have to show your dog that you have something, and your recall will never improve. If your dog ignores the recall, it shouldn't be off the lead, either inside or outside the house. Call your dog. If it doesn't listen, pick up that lead the dog to you so the dog learns there's no negotiations. Do not bribe your dog.